To install a turkey bell drinker, when you have your pipe and your conduit hanging already, you're going to take this S-hook and you're going to snap that on to both. It's vertical, and you're going to want to alternate which direction you snap them on every other one. And you're going to want them a little bit of ways from where the saddle is. So I'm going to slide this down a little bit and snap it. And then you're going to take these other plastic pieces and you're going to snap them onto it. That'll just help it hold together. I'll put one end, the top end on the bottom. Once you have that installed, you're going to install this little or drinker in, and you can use the VAL tool to help you with that. It just goes right in, you push up, and you turn until it locks. Right. And then you'll take this bracket hanger and you want to fish it through this top hole here. So fish it through so that it's hanging like that. And then you'll take your drinker and you'll hang that like so. Then you'll take your hose, cut to length. This may be a little long. And you'll just press that right on. So to your drinker, and then to your saddle. And I'll probably shorten that a little bit, but that's all.